Cleantech health and safety standards aligned very well with our health and safety requirements. And this was relatively a large site where 11,000 people were working at the time the plant was installed. So we did not face a single disruption in terms of movement of machine, manpower and material.
They really proved that what we believed in them was right, and the project was completed in time. Project was completed with top-class quality.
Konica Minolta has clearly delineated sustainability goals. We joined RE 100 in 2019 and aim to procure 100% of the power used in our own businesses activities from renewable energy sources by 2050. We considered a number of vendors and ultimately choose Cleantech Solar as the most suitable candidate to be our trusted sustainability partner. From the beginning, we saw a very thorough and professional approach from the Cleantech Solar team.
We ran a very wide competitive process and we selected Cleantech Solar after due consideration. Their focus on safety was a key decision criteria, but also importantly, we scored vendors based on financial capabilities, proven track record, and also the strength of their local team of solar professionals. With references across all Malaysia, we felt that they could be a trusted partner to deliver.